Hey, what's up everyone? It's Rob from Paragon Performance, and today I'm going to walk you guys through how to install the CCS carbon fiber gear selector overlay. It's a super easy install, so let's get into it. Alrighty guys, we are inside the car now, ready to get this thing installed. The first step, of course, is to clean the surface where it will be sticking. Now you can do that with an alcohol wipe or some adhesion promoter to promote adhesion. So let's get this cleaned up. Alrighty guys, now that we have it all wiped down and clean, we are going to grab our product while we let this dry. As you can see, it has the backing to the 3M on here, so we are going to go ahead and start peeling that backing off. Alrighty guys, now that we have that all peeled, we are ready to install it. So we are going to slide it down in here like so. Now before you start applying pressure, make sure to pick up on the reverse and the drive mode and then start applying pressure, because you're going to want to make sure that these buttons do not interfere or hit with the carbon fiber piece itself. So apply some extra pressure around those buttons to make sure that this sticks down. And just like that, we have it stuck down, and now it's fully installed. And there you guys have it. We are all finished up. Super duper easy install, like I was saying. Now you are ready to get out on the road in your C8 Corvette and change gears with some style and some carbon fiber added to the interior of your C8 Corvette. Hope this video was useful. If it was, leave us a like, comment, subscribe. And as always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.